that vlog? Once. Look at her looking like she a Puerto Rican. Looking like she a Puerto Rican, man. Come show me where your crib at. Of course, dog, I'm telling you. You blend in around here, man.
That's the island sauce.
This Airbnb ain't too bad.
No, I'm bringing one of them. Just not carry two of them stuff.
Of course. Come show me the place, man. Give me the tour.
I'll show you my new apartment.
That's a bonus. It's a bonus.
That made that bigger for you and your girl.
It's hot up in here. It's not bad. Some type of, I don't know, something back there. Yo, this is a nice little spot though. You just randomly walking.
Remember how I enjoy? Come here, I go live big tourist life, I lock up like some coward. No sir. Yeah, born Jamaican, afraid of who?
You tripping, man.
You never pass some goat in somebody's yard?
Wait, over at the camp?
No, when you that come.
No? Because I'm take the next way around.
Oh. Talk about all apartment building, my brother. You want
man, we out here walking around trying to get some food. Do it for the vlog. Okay, we about to get some food from this place. Heineken. So we decided on this bar in here. It's our first time seeing Presidente. Yo, so how you rate the food? How you rate?
Fucker. I don't like it. The meat white as fucking snow white. The only thing it tastes good was the rice and the beans. but wait a minute, we're gonna get them a blind because that was Dominican food. We don't know what the fuck that, but we not.
Alright guys, I'm exhausted. Didn't sleep last night. Now I'm about to go take a nap. Wake up, get a shower. And then we're gonna try to do something tonight. We even got a little patio area out here too. It's raining a little bit though. I'm gonna have to come eat back here or something. Ain't too bad, ain't too bad. Definitely been to better Airbnbs, but it is what it is, you know? First time in this country. So you gotta learn, you know? Learn where the spot's at. So once we go out tonight, and during my stay here,
You know, I'm gonna go back here that night.
he was just tripping.